Want to build a bigger arms workout today? I'll show you the best exercises to grow your muscles fast. Let's get started. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building a massive arms starting with barbell wrist curl forearms. Keep your elbows bent and curl with control. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Moving on to barbell reverse wrist curl forearm. Fully extend your arms at the bottom to target those biceps. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Now let's do dumbbell one arm wrist curl forearm. This builds thickness in your forearms and biceps. Do 3 sets of 12 reps.
Next up is the dumbbell over bench wrist curl forearms.
Keep your upper arms steady and stretch the muscle fully. 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 5 is the dumbbell reverse wrist curl forearms. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Next is the dumbbell reverse grip biceps curl forearms. Lower the weight slowly towards your forehead and press up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving to the dumbbell standing one arm reverse curl forearms. This is perfect for building that bicep peak. Complete 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per arm. Now for dumbbell standing reverse curl forearms. Squeeze your triceps hard at the top of the movement. Maintain a steady tempo. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Finally, we have the dumbbell cross-body hammer curl forearms. Finish strong and thanks for watching. Stay fit with Fit Motion.